Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to protect wp-config.php file via .htaccess file in WordPress, and we are going to increase WordPress security. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in file manager and we are going to protect wp-config.php file. So this is our file. So by using this we are going to secure our WordPress. So this is our .htaccess file. So we are going to add custom code, right click on it and then click on edit. So our .htaccess file is open and then we are going to add code. Now paste, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see files and then we are going to add wp-config.php file. Then you see order, allow, deny, and then you see deny from all, and then you see file close. So you can add this code in your .htaccess file to protect wp-config.php file and increase WordPress security, and then click on save changes. Now you see saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.